Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about one Android interview question. So the question is, why does an Android application lag? So there are many reasons why an Android application lag. Some of the most common reasons include hardware limitation. If your Android device is old or has low-end hardware, it may not be able to keep up with the demand of the app. This is especially true for demanding apps like games or video editing app. The next is software conflicts. If you have multiple apps installed on your device, it's possible that one of them is conflicting with the app you are trying to use. This can cause the app to crash or lag. The next is app bloat. Some apps are simply poorly designed or coded. This can lead to app bloat, which is when an app takes up more resources than it needs. This can cause the app to lag even on high-end devices. The next is insufficient memory. If your device is running low on memory, it can cause app to lag. This is because the operating system has to constantly swap app in and out of memory, which can slow things down. It is network latency. If you are using an app that rely on internet connection, such as a streaming app or a game with online multiplayer, network latency can cause lag. This is because the app has to wait for data to be transferred between your device and the server. It is GC overhead. The Android garbage collector is responsible for managing memory and freeing up unused objects. When the GC run, it can cause a temporary pause in the app, which can lead to lag. Next is heavy CPU usage. If an app is performing a lot of CPU intensive tasks such as rendering graphics or processing data, it can cause the device to overheat and lag. The next is overheating. If your device is overheating, it can cause app to lag. This is because the device will throttle its performance in order to protect itself. So what are the solutions? So there are a number of things you can do to try to fix app lag on your Android device. The first is restart your device. So this can often fix minor software glitch that may be causing the app to lag. The next is update your apps. Developers often release update to their app to fix bugs and improve performance. Make sure that all of your apps are up to date. The next is uninstall unused app. If you have a lot of app installed on your device, uninstall any that you don't use anymore. This will free up a space on your device and improve performance. The next is clear the app cache and data. This will delete any temporary files that the app has stored on your device. This can sometimes fix app lag. Move the app to your device internal storage. If the app is installed on your device external SD card, moving it to the internal storage may improve performance. So check your network connection. If you are using an app that rely on an internet connection, make sure that you have a strong and a stable connection. The next is reduce the app setting. Some apps have a setting that can affect performance. Try reducing some of the settings such as the graphics quality or frame rate to see if this improve performance. If you have tried all the above and still you are facing app lag issue, it's possible that app itself is simply poorly designed or coded. In this case, you may need to contact the app developer for support.